So does TubeBuddy really help you to get more views on YouTube? Let's talk about that. So hello there, my name is Nick Nixon, and on this channel I help creators like you to create an amazing content and monetize it. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click notification bell, because a lot of great videos are coming up that you don't want to miss out. So we already created 2 videos about TubeBuddy, and I decided to create this one because a lot of people are giving me this question whether the TubeBuddy will help them to gain more views, or whether they should choose other software, or we should choose to learn analytics, etc, etc. Yeah, this is the good questions, but let's concentrate now on TubeBuddy and whether it is actually helping you to gain more views on YouTube. So first I'm gonna give you a short answer, then I'm gonna elaborate on that, why it's the truth and what you can do about it. And overall the answer to this is it's complicated, and let me just elaborate on that. So first, to understand whether TubeBuddy helps you to gain more views or not, you need to understand what TubeBuddy is and what it does, because usually people thinking of TubeBuddy as completely different thing, and while it is a completely other thing. And let's just discuss what it does and how it actually helps you as a YouTuber. So first thing that we should discuss is what TubeBuddy is not, before we'll discuss what TubeBuddy is. So TubeBuddy is not a video promotion tool. TubeBuddy does not take your videos and promote them anywhere in any shape or form, directly or indirectly. They don't put your videos on their website, on other websites. They don't share it on Twitter. They don't share it on Facebook. And most importantly, they don't share it on YouTube in comments or anywhere. They're not doing that. So TubeBuddy is not the promotion or marketing tool. TubeBuddy is YouTube optimization tool. And we should understand whether the optimization is helping you to grow YouTube or not. Okay, now let's go to the beginning to understand the things that it is very important to the YouTubers before we're gonna continue with actually TubeBuddy helping you or not. This is very important to understand first, because this is where our answer will be coming from. So what many YouTubers do not know and they do not understand, and they do not think of it actually, is there are phases of the video creation to the YouTube. It's not that video is suddenly created and appearing on YouTube. There are phases and there are steps that you need to take. Many different YouTubers and video creators are thinking of different steps, but mainly there are 4 different steps, 4 equally important steps. They're all equally important, and they are these ones. First is pre-production, meaning that when you come up with the video ideas, you plan your videos, what you should shoot, what you should say, what you should not, preparing your camera, preparing your microphone, etc, etc. Second is recording. Well, you point your camera, whatever you are pointing it, on someone or yourself, press the record, turning your microphone, just talking into this stuff and just recording the video. It's pretty simple to know. Third step is editing, or post-production, I can say. Editing is basically just editing whatever you shot, adding B-roll, adding effects, adding transitions, adding intros, outros, etc, etc. And of course the rendering, basically just making the video complete. Fourth step, which is equally important to first 3, but usually people are overlooking the 4th step, is uploading to YouTube. Or you may say, Nick, it's very simple thing, like just upload the video to whatever you do and that's it. And it's actually very, very wrong. You're not magically appearing on the YouTube. Your uploading workflow is pretty complicated. It consists a lot of steps. It's similar to the editing, recording, or pre-production steps. You're doing a lot of things on your uploading workflow. For example, creating a thumbnail, choosing a title, choosing a description, choosing a tags, adding end screens, adding cards, adding playlists, etc, etc. There are a lot of things that you need to do in order to make your videos better. And why you need to make your videos better, you may ask. Let me just answer you that. TubeBuddy and everyone knows that the best way to get people to see your video, the people that are not already seeing your videos or channel, etc, etc, best way to get people to your videos is through search. When people are actively searching for the certain topics or the certain types of videos and stumble upon your videos, this is the best way for them to convert from the someone who just stumbled upon to your video to the viewers or subscribers. So you need to optimize your videos for the search first. And how you are doing it? So optimization for the search means that you are letting YouTube itself, not the viewers, YouTube itself know what your video is all about. Meaning that if you craft a good title, YouTube understands that, okay, this video is about the topic that this 1,000 guys or this 100 guys or this 5 guys are interested in. So when they will search for it, I'm gonna show them this video. That's how it works. And TubeBuddy helps you find the best words that people are searching for, and this is what keyword research tool does. It helps you to find best keywords for your video and the things that is searched for and that has low competition for you to not compete with other people who are creating the same type of video for the one view that this viewer who is searching for the content will grant you. So TubeBuddy with the keyword research tool helps you to explain to YouTube, to platform itself, what your video is all about. Keyword research, contrary to the popular opinion, is not for tags only. It's weird enough and it's amazing enough, but tags play really small role in discoverability of your videos. The bigger role is of course to the title and description. And when you use the tags that keyword research is giving you in your title and description, they have far more powerful effect on the discoverability of your video or searchability to your video for that matter. Great, TubeBuddy helps you to explain to YouTube what your video is all about. Meaning that if YouTube knows what your video is all about, it's gonna show your video to the many more people that are actually looking for your videos. So that means that you are done with TubeBuddy? Well, no, because now when people see your videos, meaning they have impression that they actually saw your video, not clicked on it, just saw your video in the search. Now they need to click it. Now they need to convert into the viewers, not just people who are looking for the video, but people who are watching your video. So to do so, you need to have great visual representation of your video, i.e. the thumbnail. And I understand that many of you do not know how to craft compelling thumbnails, or they don't know, or many of you do not know how to use the graphical software like Photoshop, etc. And you want something simple that will help you gain more viewers. And despite custom thumbnails being the best option, the second best option is using TubeBuddy's thumbnail editor. So basically you're taking a still shot from a video and transforming it into a thumbnail with adding text, like overlays, etc., adding small graphics, etc. And by making your thumbnail and your video 100 times more clickable. It's still not as good as a custom thumbnail, but it's far better than the auto-generated thumbnails by YouTube. So okay, people are on your videos now. TubeBuddy got people to your videos, meaning that not TubeBuddy directly, but you with the help of TubeBuddy got people to your videos. Now it's all about your video, how it will work in order to convert these viewers into the subscribers. But okay, you're done with it. You've crafted a bunch of videos, but you want to add a single link to all of your videos because sponsor paid for to you, or you just want to have affiliate links or something like that, but you need to go through all your videos one by one to add all of this. Not with a TubeBuddy. You just add like bulk edit tool, bulk add, and add all of the links at the same time in all of the videos or whatever number of videos that you want. Or if you're uploading a video, you don't want to miss tags or descriptions or titles. You keep forgetting all these things that you want to add or you will need to do in order to optimize your video best for the search. And TubeBuddy helps you with that as well. It gives you all the suggestions what you need to do for your video to make it better and more optimized, like edit to playlists, like have a long title, have a long description, add certain amount of tags, add cards, add end screens, etc. It tells you what you need to do, meaning it helps you to make your videos better. It does not make video better by itself. It helps you to make your videos better. Overall, it means that it's not a service that gives you more views. It's a tool that helps you to gain more views. So I'm not gonna go I'm gonna go through every single thing that TubeBuddy does and how it helps. But let's wrap it up overall and answer this question once and for all. Does TubeBuddy help you to gain more views? And the answer is yes, it helps you to gain more views. It doesn't bring you more views, it helps you bring more views because it gives you tools to make your videos better, to optimize your videos better, to increase the speed of your workflow, to give you the information, what you need to do, what you need not to do, etc., etc., to give you understanding how YouTube uploading workflow, the fourth step, actually works. And this, my friends, why TubeBuddy is very important tool that helps you gain more views on YouTube. Well guys, that was it for today. I hope I was clear enough about TubeBuddy, because it's quite a complicated and quite complex tool, but if you're using it right, it helps you immensely. It does not give you views, but it helps you to optimize your videos for more views. That was it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video, like to subscribe if you want more videos like this one about TubeBuddy, about YouTube, about growth, about content, etc., etc. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.